Hello, we are Group 2 presenting on how to execute XSS, cross-site scripting attack. Cross-site scripting is a type of injection in which malicious scripts are injected into a trusted website. It is a client-side code injection attack. Cross-site scripting attacks are one of the biggest threats to web application. So, in our case, we have created a simple web application which runs on the browser. Here we have opened it on Chrome. The application allows the client to type the product name and image, which are later stored to the server and sent to the database. So we are going to type the product we want, like the product we want. Here, in this case, we just want to type a cake. So we want a cake, right? And then for the product image, we might want a cake from maybe this side. So we are just copying the image address and then pasting it here. And then here it is, our cake is displayed. We can also add as many cakes as we want. Maybe delicious cake, a delicious fruit cake, right? Fruit cake. And then at this side, we are looking for a delicious fruit cake. This one. We copy the address and then we paste the link here. And then, so basically, this is the application, how the application works. So a client or an attacker may want to attack this web. So you might want to know the source code and everything behind the creation or the coding of this application. So to inspect which type of code we used here, one can just right click and go at inspection, and then after that you can actually see that this is the code that that we use to build, like the sources. This is the source of the code that we used to build our application. So one can see, and after seeing our code, one can actually inject a script that will make our application malfunctions or function according to his or her interest. So now we are going to show you how one can inject a script in this on this application. So here we can just type, for example, some messages, right? Yeah. Then here, this is where we can manipulate the like we can put a script that will manipulate this application, that will change the whole functions of this application. So in this case, what we are going to inject a script which reads some page.com. This being, we are just trying to convince the system we are just convincing the system so that it can read this command as a link of an image. So we're just this might be the site. So this might be the site of which the image is coming from, right? And this might be the type of the product that we want. So we are now continuing with the script. So somepage.com, no image dot jpeg. So when the system, like our code, when it reads this, it acts like a link which will direct to the product that you want to buy. But however, this is just an injection. So it's then now we are now typing what we want the system to do. This can be maybe something dangerous, but due to educational purpose, we are just going to execute an injection that will tell us that this application is being hacked. So we are now injecting the script. One error is equals to alert, then this is which is going to be displayed. Here come right, and then we are now finishing up. So now that we have done to typing our script which we are going to inject in this application, we now want to see the result, right? So we are now sending the information. So we can see now there's this notification which just popped up saying this page says hacked, right? So for the studying purposes, we just used this as an example, but hackers who demand something, maybe money, or actually do something which is more dangerous using this cross-site scripting attack. So this is how we can execute a cross-site scripting attack from a website. Thank you.